Are you curious about how changes impact construction projects? You're not alone. Construction projects often evolve, and understanding how to monitor and control these changes is vital. In this video, we will explore the monitoring and controlling cycle. This process helps manage changes effectively while ensuring projects stay within budget and timelines. First, let's define change in construction. Changes can occur for many reasons. They might arise from necessary design modifications, site conditions, or contractor requests. Even material availability can trigger changes. It's a normal part of managing any construction project. Next, we'll discuss change management. When changes happen, documenting them is key. This documentation shows what was actually built. The final record includes all modifications made during the project. This is referred to as as-built drawings. Now, let's break down the steps involved in effective monitoring and controlling. Initially, a project plan is created. This plan outlines goals, timelines, and budgets. As changes are introduced, reevaluate these aspects regularly. Keep a close watch on how these changes affect your initial objectives. It's also essential to have a robust document management system. This can be a software tool or physical documents. Maintaining accurate documentation helps comply with legal requirements. It ensures that each change is recorded and can be accessed easily. To illustrate, consider a construction project where a site condition requires a design change. The team must document this change in the drawings and update budgets accordingly. Without effective monitoring, the project may exceed its original budget and timeline. In summary, effective monitoring and controlling in construction projects is crucial. It involves documenting changes, reassessing project viability, and maintaining accurate records. This process keeps projects on track and within budget. If you're managing a construction project, take charge of your monitoring and controlling cycle today. Implement effective change management practices and ensure every change is documented. Want to learn more about best practices in construction management? Subscribe for more insights and updates.